So, you want to work with JV partners or you want to do deal packaging? Well, what documentation do you give them? What marketing brochures do you give them? Well, it's something that I struggled with, and I created a very high quality joint venture and deal sourcing pack. And I am delighted if you wanted to copy it. Please don't copy my branding, that is personal to me, but word for word, why don't you download my brochure, understand how we did the paperwork, the kind of brochures for JVs, how we did the brochures for deal packaging, we put them in the one, and then use it for your own meetings with your own investors. It's going to be very impressive to them that you've created such a brochure, and I'd be delighted to help you. So, what to do? Download the pack from my website and get started, change it into your own brochure, and off you go.